So we're putting in, or we're trying to put in, we'll see how difficult that's gonna be, the rear bumper on an M3. So I know the exhaust is in a different location. I know it's not gonna fit for right now, or maybe we're gonna fit somewhere around these lines right there, right here. But originally the M3, you have 4 exhausts. You're gonna have 2 right here and 2 right here, or actually not 4 exhausts, it's more like 4 tips. So we're gonna see how that's gonna work out. But let me show you something. I don't even remember what I did last time, because it was a long time, because I had to wait for these bumpers, and then yeah. Let me show you something. So I spent a little bit of time cleaning up on the bottom, even that, you know, they did the car wash thing in the beginning, you know, and I still couldn't remove all of the grass. I don't know where this car was and why there is so much grass. I know this car is not a cow, but dude, like, look at it. Look at this dirt and grass. And yeah, like it's unreal. Boom! Check it out. We've got the bumper out. Don't take this as a guide, because you know I kind of cut this right here. This one's not, but I mean I didn't, you know, honestly care about this bumper, even it's, you know, probably, but maybe it was salvageable, maybe it's still, but yeah, no, yeah, don't worry about it. That we're not gonna go back into the car, I guarantee you. Yeah, I don't know if that's good, bad, or what. Right here, seems like this came out. Hope that wasn't me, but I don't know, it seems like might be me. This right here, this obviously it's a aftermarket parking sensors. I have the same setup on the front of the car. Yeah, horrible. Like, legitly, who in the right mind will install something like that? Like this, it's so ugly that, like, for reals, like, what is that? Like, what in the world is this? Horrible. This obviously is a goner. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. My garage is so tiny. Like I keep telling you, if I can do it, you can do it, because it's unreal. I'm gonna have to follow these wires back and see where the device is. Obviously over here, the tapped in into the power and into the ground as well. I don't know why they have to tap into the ground, where, you know, ground is right there, or right here, or right here, or wherever you like. Just attach the ground to the body. You don't need to cut the ground from your connector. Have to see if the bumper is gonna fit and how it's gonna fit, and do we have to cut the tips out, and fun. So let's do it. So today is another day, different story. Well, so I tried to work it out to the point where it's like not a guy who can do some body parts and stuff, like finagling, and like this is unreal. Like, this bumper is not squared of the body. I don't have enough left over here to screw some stuff in. This angle here doesn't align really with what I have here. So you can see this is how it's supposed to stay, but right now this is sticking out way too much, and I'm pushing it, and maybe I can make it work. But then the bigger problem comes over here, where this guy needs to align, and obviously you guys can see, like, it's just popping out by itself. It's like unreal. And here I need to cut it, cut my clips and everything. I need to cut the clips here, I need to cut the clips on that side, and I haven't even started to work on that side. Like, horrible, I'm telling you. If you ever buying a fiberglass, body kits and stuff, make sure you have an option for return, because this is like garbage. Like, legitly garbage. Like, and then the chicken mesh, like, where's my chicken? Where's my chicken, dogs? Where's my chicken? So yeah, I ended up ordering new bumpers. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this stuff, but it's garbage. What a waste of time and material. Unreal. But again, here we go again with the butt. So meantime, we have this guy right there. Yeah, we've got the hood, baby. So I'm not gonna leave you guys empty-handed, so I'm gonna jump over here, boom, and again, let's hope that at least the hood it's good, because for the body kit that was like 700 bucks, 800 bucks, shipping and handling and all that. The hood itself is another 800 bucks. So it's, you're getting one hood comparing to a four, when you have the side skirts and all of that. Side skirts, another story. I don't even want to talk about it. I don't want to make it, depressing and stuff. So let's see how the hood's gonna stay and how we're gonna adjust it, because I don't know if you remember, but the hood was in the front. So I hope those two hinges are not bent, or at least they're not really bent. So we're gonna find out in a little bit. So let me grab the hood. Let's see what we can do. So this is what I figured out. I'm pretty sure that the hood is more bowing out, you know, towards the glass. So that means those right here. And because of that, there is a little bit bigger of a gap right here, and then it gets smaller and smaller to the front. Same thing on that side. And then the hoses, like the attachment hose right here, they are not really aligning. So I need to cut it over there as well, and make more wiggle space, because right now the hinges are squeezing the hood and it's not really working out. Once again, you get what you pay for. I guess if I spend $1,500, that would be perfect. Maybe, I hope so. If not, boy, what are we doing? So let's get to it. So, speechless. So I think I got it. I can't really tell without putting the front, which is right there, which that one needs to be cut out, you know, so we can fit this big bad boy. Yeah, I still need to get this and the locking mechanism up there, which, you know, I'm talking about this guy, you know, so we can lock the hood down. And then I'm pretty sure I need to put some of those rubbery things that I don't really see them right now, but I think I'm almost there. I was thinking that maybe there is something rubbery over here, but it's not. Actually, all the rubbers goes right here in the front. The locking mechanism, I think I put it there, but maybe I dropped it down. I'm a mess first. Not gonna lie. You know, I'm trying to get it as fast as I can, and yeah, it turns to a shit show. Okay, and then let me show you from up close. So comes down and round, and right now it seems like this side maybe down, maybe not, maybe because the car is twisted or something, or in the back it's higher or something, I don't know. Maybe that's why, you know, here it's like that, and then on this side seems like I'm hugging this one right here. You guys can see. Yep. So might adjust this side a little bit, but honestly right now with the stuff that I have, once again I keep saying, don't ever get fiberglass. It's like you're paying half the price of carbon fiber, and honestly if you get a carbon fiber, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be perfect because you're paying a top dollar. But at the same time, I've never done carbon fiber carbon fiber, yeah, so can't even say that. So yeah, but let's see, other than that, you know, the hood is not that bad for the price. I still need to get the openings right here. I don't know if I need to cut this. We'll see if I need to, or maybe if I don't. I'll figure that out. But I'll order those little vents here. But you know, other than that, you know, honestly, it's not that bad. Again, it's not that bad for the price. If you get probably a body shop, they'll be like, dude, you are probably stupid. I don't know. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. So don't take all of that as a guide or whatever, you know. I mean, it's kind of, you know, it's working, it's kind of there, but at the same time, I cannot give you a guidance who, what, where, because I have no idea what I'm doing. So this is my experience, so you can see it. It's getting there. It's just a slow process, especially, you know, when you have to record all of that, because I figured out something in the back and you need to wait to see that next video. That's a crucial one. And then the bumpers again, like I'm saying, and then this thing, and then I got a connector from China. I waited 2 months to get this little piece of a connector. I don't know what to say. And that's actually the second order that I did, because the first one actually never, you know, showed up. And the guy, you know, refusing to return my money, because, you know, he's like, dude, like, it's shipped, like, I don't know what to do. I'm like, dude, it's gone, it's lost, I don't know what do you want me to do. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm not trying to bash on the guy or something, you know. If I'm on his, you know, place, probably gonna do the same thing. It's just, yeah, like I said, I've got that coming, so we're pretty close. Like I'm saying, we are pretty close. Almost there, but not there, but almost there. So please stay tuned about that. Yeah, and I have this thing right here is waiting, you know, to be put on, but I need to wait, you know, and see how we're gonna do that. I have the bracket. Oh, actually, yeah, it's right here. I think I never brought it down. Yeah, this is the connector with the new pins and everything. So we need to crimp all of that. It's coming along, not gonna lie, it's coming along. It's just a slow process, only because, you know, we need to record it. I mean, it's more fun, I'm not gonna lie. It's just, I hope you like what you see, because me like you. Me very like you. So yeah, I need to figure out, you know, this thing right here, because I'm pretty sure the emblem here needs to have hoses, and that needs to be pushed in. And right now it's just I don't know, a dent. So yeah, so getting there. Can't say enough. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.